My mum's calling me. Always gotta pick up mum's phone. Hello? I hope you guys are all well. This is basically the makeup I do on an everyday basis, you know, because I wake up late and so have fun watching this, get ready, you know how it is. Alright, I use the Naked Urban Decay Skin Color Correcting Fluid. Just unscrew it and I'm just like, oh, yeah. And this saves my life because I always skip out on like foundation and stuff. Once I've color corrected, I always go in with my Rimmel Wake Me Up. I know it's a very light shade, but it helps. After I color correct, I always put a little bit of concealer on because I don't know, it makes me feel better. And I never start blending from the top. I always start blending from the bottom because I feel like, I don't know, I read it somewhere that that's actually better for you. I didn't read it, I'm making that up, I just think it's better for me. So pretty much I just use the concealer to like cover my flaws. So once I've concealed and color corrected, I grab my Too Faced Woman's Face Setting Powder. I use so much of this every day because I hate that feeling when like, you know, the side of your nose is like oily. I hate that so. Under my eyes. And then over my eyes. Duh. I mean, we don't want to be a greasy bitch, do we? Nope. My Hoola bronzer. I bronze the shit out of my face. So I bronze in such a weird way. Like, I just like... Favorite part is this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at it. Because I feel like it's like a highlighter and a blush in one. I get my foundation brush and I just blend it out. Do you guys see that? It's like a blush, but also a highlighter. Because my nose is like I like to contour it, so I use a little like a brush like this. I get my Hoola bronzer, I contour the hell out of my nose. I always start with the end and I do like a little square, because I've got like a square nose. So just kind of like shade that. And then obviously it looks like really dramatic right now, but that's how we want it. So then I get this, I'll blend this out. You know, this is kind of therapeutic. It's just like, oh, most important thing is, because I sleep late or whatever, my eyes can be like a little bit dead. So I basically use this to line my eye. What is that bit called here? I use it to, I don't know, but I line under like my waterline. See much of a difference, but I do my eyebrows using the Hourglass Dark Brunette Arch pencil. I hate doing my eyebrows. I get like anxiety and I start sweating because I know I'm not gonna leave the house unless my eyebrows look good. So some days when I feel like real trash, I don't even do them. You know when you just look in the mirror and you just know you fucked up? That's what I did right now. I don't care, John, I don't care. You know, I'm gonna, okay. Get like a blending brush and put it into my bronzer. Just put it into my crease because I feel like that just quickly gives me some definition and I can't be bothered reaching for any of my eyeshadows. And then I use Rimmel London's Glam Eyes. 7 out of 10 days I won't leave the house without a bit of eyeliner on. So I don't do like a full wing, I just line the edge of my eyelashes. I feel like when I do this, I don't go through the stress of doing a winged liner, but my eyelashes still look really full. Cool. Move on to mascara, because my life depends on it. Once I've done Better Than Sex, just before it dries, I get L'Oreal Telescopic. Just want to shout out to my best friend Shaz for introducing me to this mascara 5 years ago. Thanks girl, changed my life. And I just put it on. Like this just makes your eyelashes look so long. Last but not least, I get my lip liner in the shade Soar by MAC. I don't like do a full line. I literally just like line their sides and up here. Taupe by MAC, I know I need to get a new one, but I don't know. I like to buy makeup all at once. It makes me feel better. Ta-da! So basically, I always try to avoid wearing foundation as much as I can because I have like skin that gets super easily congested, and if I wear too much of my skin like every single day, I break out, which sucks. And it's so hot here at the moment, so I hate having my hair like in my face or like down when it's hot. So pretty much this is just like my go-to hairstyle if it's like a hot day, and I just kind of throw it up and I do this and I hope for the best and hope nobody I know sees me.